Hi everyone, here I am with this new video in which I will discuss about the WBJE counseling process 2020. In this video I will discuss about how to fill the registration form and how to upload the relevant document and how to fill the choice and how many choice you should fill and the relevant document that you have to upload during the registration process. So watch this video till the end to get all your doubts clear and do share to your friends so that they can also get their doubt clear. Check the I button for the video of top 10 college under wave G, branch wise cutoff for top 10 college under wave G and the branch wise cutoff for 10 college at lower rank in WBJE. And many such videos are present in the description box, so check the description box. And if you have any doubt related to WJE counseling 2020, do ask in the comment section. Before starting this video, I would like to introduce my channel information and educational videos. Here you can find all you need to know about a particular college and exam. So do subscribe this channel to get such information in future also. So let us start the main topic. The WBJE counseling process will start soon. Here is the information you need to know before the counseling process begins. There will be two separate counseling, that is for one for WBJE rank holder and other for JEE main rank holder. For WBJE rank holder, there will be no fee to pay for the registration that you have to do before counseling. And for JEE main candidate, you have to pay 500 rupees for the registration to get participated in the WBJE counseling process. And you have to register before the counseling process begins. It is mandatory for both the candidate, for JEE main and WBJE candidate. For WBJE candidate there is no fee for the registration, and for JEE main candidate there is 500 fee for the registration. And here is the document you have to upload at the time of registration, that is the 10th certificate, which will be treated as your birth certificate, and 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, and domicile certificate if you are a student from West Bengal, and the respective category certificate if you are belong to SC, ST, OBC A or OBC B, and the PWD certificate for PWD rank holder and income certificate for TWF candidate. For West Bengal student, there is a special service provided by West Bengal Joint Entrance Board, that is there are more than 17,000 common service center, that is CSC, are available across the West Bengal. So you can use this service for free for registration and document uploading and also for choice filling, and this service is free for all the candidates. Now let's talk about the document verification. The document will be verified by virtual reporting center, that means you need not to visit any reporting center. You only have to upload the document with the prescribed format and the registration will be done. And if you have not provided the document in the prescribed format, the document may be rejected with the reason why they reject the document, and you have to upload the document again with the correction. And now talk about the choice filling. During the registration, after entering all the information and uploading all the documents, the candidate will be able to view all the choice of institute and branch available to him or according to his her eligibility criteria based on the data input by him or her. That means after registration you will have to fill the choice according to your rank. So that you can get the college from your choice. So choose the college sincerely and corresponding to your rank, and choose as many choice as possible that will increase your chance to get a better college. So there is a information regarding the choice filling that the candidate can opt for upgradation accepting the current allotment. Candidates are advised that they must select at least 20 choice. You should choose at least 20 choice. You can choose more than that, but you should choose at least 20 choice so that you can get best of them. And if you are getting a college in the first round, if you are not satisfied, then you can opt for upgradation and you will get another college. So if you choose many choice, then it will increase the probability of getting more and more better college based on your rank. And if the candidate does not give any choice or does not lock his choice, then she will not given any allotment in the current cycle, but will have to opportunity to submit choice in the next cycle. That means if you do not choose any college or branch in the first round, you will not allowed any allotted any college in the first round, but you have the choice or opportunity to resubmit your choice in the next round, that is second round. If you miss the second round, you have the choice for the third round, that you can get submit your choice in second or third round as you wish. Now talk about the choice filling. There is the same. If a candidate failed to lock his her choice within the pre-announced deadline, he will not given any allotted in the current cycle, but will be considered in the next cycle. Will have the opportunity to submit choice in the next cycle. This is the same, that if you miss the first round of counseling, then you have the choice to get submit your choice in the second round of counseling, or in the third round of counseling. Now talk about the allotment. Allotment of first cycle will be declared on pre-scheduled date, and all the registered candidate will be informed by SMS. That means the allotment of first cycle will be declared on a particular date, and you will be notified that which college you got by SMS. Candidate will for checking this allotment, you have to log in to check this allotment on the WBJE side. And after this allotment, the candidate have the choice to accept and freeze the seat. That means the accept and don't want to move further for the next round. That means they are happy with the allotted seat and don't want to move further round of counseling. And second choice is accept with option for a possible upgradation to his or higher choice. That is, you accept the seat and also want to upgrade your choice if possible in the next round, so that you can get more better college than the first round. And third is nothing. If you don't do anything, you will not get the first round college, but you will get college in the second round or in the third round. And here is the fee detail. If you accept and freeze the seat, the candidate need to pay the seat acceptance fee, that is 5,000 for allotment in government institution and 5,000 for allotment in PFW candidate and 40,000 for allotment in private institute. That means if you got a government college, you have to pay 5,000 to accept the allotted college, and if you belong to PFW category, you have to pay also 5,000 to accept the allotted college, and if you get private institute, you will have to pay 40,000 to accept the allotted college. And the second option is accept with option for possible upgradation to higher choice. In this choice, you you also have to pay the same amount of fee. And for the third choice, do nothing, the candidate will not be considered for the admission in the present cycle, and the seat allotted to him her shall be deemed to be vacant for the current cycle and will be allotted to those who have paid the seat. That means if you do not do anything after allotment of the first round college, the your allotted seat will be given to another candidate, and you will have to wait for the next cycle to get another college. And talk about the upgradation. When a candidate accepts the seat allotted to him her, pay the required amount of fee and opt for upgradation, allotment may be upgraded within the current cycle or in the next cycle. If the upgraded, the candidate will be informed by SMS. Also, the scheduled date of allotment are pre-announced. Candidates are advised to remain alert and check his her upgradation status immediately. And if you got the upgraded college, then you have the two options: accept and freeze, that you are happy with the allotted college, and other option is go for further round, that is for upgradation for the next round. In either case, the candidate must pay the amount this is a very important point. If you opt for upgradation, then the previous allotment college will be vanished, that you can't get the previous college. You have to accept the upgraded college. There is no option for not accepting you can't reverse the upgradation. Once you applied for upgradation, you can't modify your choice. That is, if you have go for the upgradation for next round, you can't reverse it back at any time or any situation. Those candidates who get any allotment in the earlier cycle, such candidate need not to re-register. They need not to upload documents again. Those who were allotted seat in the earlier cycle but did not accept or did nothing, such candidate need not to register. Candidates who have accepted the seat in earlier cycle with option of further action, they need not to upload document as new. The candidate who did not get any allotted in the earlier cycle, document were rejected based on a screening, they need to upload the document again. That means if you have registered in the first round and got a college or not got a college, you don't need to re-register for the next round. But the candidate who did not get any allotment in the first round or their document were rejected based on a screening, they have to re-upload their document again. And also who missed the registration before the first round, they can also register before the second round or before the third round. The counseling process will be similar above, but a separate notice will be published for it. That means the counseling for JEE Main rank holder will be same as of WBJEE rank holder, but there will be a separate notice for this counseling. And the eligibility criteria are the same, that is, you have to appear for WBJEE or JEE Main with a percentage of 45 or above in higher secondary. So that's it about the counseling process of WBJEE 2020. Follow this instruction accurately during the counseling process. Thanks. Hope you like this video. If you like, do subscribe and share